Hello and welcome. In today's session we're going to chant a mantra for the sun. Om Sri Suryaya Namaha. Om Sri Suryaya Namaha, and it's chanted in this way. Om Sri Suryaya Namaha. Om Sri Suryaya Namaha. So, as with all mantra, it's the frequencies created by making the sound that have the effect on us, the positive healing effect upon us. If you can create nasalization here, that helps to produce a stronger vibration in the body, because it vibrates the bones in the skull, which vibrates the whole skeleton, so you're vibrating the body from the inside out. So if you can find something of the nasalization, that will help. You may find it easier to close your eyes. I am putting the mantra, the word for the mantra, in the subtitles, so you can read and see what it is. But then I'd encourage you to work with it from the listening, because you're probably going to pick it up easier from listening than from reading it. So we're going to chant in total 9 repetitions of Om Sri Suryaya Namaha, but we're going to do it in groups of 3, falling into the silence that comes after each group of 3 and trying to remain in that internalized space. Okay? So, if you begin by perhaps closing the eyes and falling into the silence and becoming aware of your breath, and then you will hear me begin the chanting. Om Sri Suryaya Namaha. Om Sri Suryaya Namaha. Om Sri Suryaya Namaha. And the next 3 repetitions. Om Sri Suryaya Namaha. Om Sri Suryaya Namaha. Om Sri Suryaya Namaha. And the final 3 repetitions. Om Sri Suryaya Namaha. Om Sri Suryaya Namaha. Om Sri Suryaya Namaha. Om Sri Suryaya Namaha, mantra for the sun. I hope you've enjoyed today's session and that you found something of a sense of calm with me here. Try and take something of that sense of calm with you through your day. Remember the value of pausing now and again through your day, just coming back to yourself, trying to kind of get out of the mind stuff if you can. Remember, working with the voice or the breath can be a much easier way to bring yourself out of your head than just sitting in silence. So thank you very much for joining me. I will be back very soon with the next session. Bye bye for now.